Good day, everyone. We are here in the KTM booth, and this is the last day of Makinamoto Expo 2025 here in the SMX Samoa. Here in KTM, they have released, I think, 4 new bikes. So, starting from the 390 Enduro R. So, this is one of the 4 bikes that they released here in the KTM booth here in Makinamoto Expo 2025. Ikutan lang natin to, bro. Then isa-isay natin yung mga bagong bike nila. So this is the KTM 390 Enduro R. Then also we have the 390 SMC R. They have the same 399cc engine, the 4 new bikes that KTM released here in this event. And I think that the most popular bikes is the 390 Adventure X. Ito siya. So this is the 390 Adventure X. Bukan lang natin. Maraming tao ngayon, last day na ng makina eh. So if you're not attend any day of the event, I suggest that you come here because this is the last day. So yan. I think ito yung pinaka talaga eh, popular among the 4 bikes. Then kung gusto mo naman lang talagang malakasan na for the adventure trail, ito na, 390 Adventure R. So I think the next popular among the 4 that they released here is this bike. So yan. So hanapin natin yung 390 Duke. Ito yung 390 Duke nila.